Hi, David here of Lancaster Automart A2B. Here we've got a 2016 Vauxhall Astra. It's a 1.4 turbo with about 145 horsepower. Fairly nippy, quite economical. Great option for a family. What I'll be doing in this video is just showing you around the condition of the vehicle and showing you some of the features it comes with. So it is an SRI nav model, so it is fairly high up the spec. It's also got metallic paint. Don't know if you can see it there, but it's quite a good angle for it. So we'll just start with the alloys. So there's the design there. I'll give you a shot down the side of the vehicle. Deliberately in the middle of the car park here so you can see the reflection off the side. As you can see, no dents there to be seen because you'd see them ruining the reflection. Onto the wing mirror, no damage there. And then as you can see there's an elite button there. Elite badge there. And then you've got second alloy there. And moving around you can see with it being a black car there's definitely no stone chips anywhere because they'd stand out like a sore thumb. Then onto the third alloy. And then no marks on the wing mirror at all. I'll give you the same shot down the side of the vehicle. So it's not the best angle this one, but as you can see the paintwork is absolutely great and so is the bodywork. It's a really tidy vehicle, this one actually. So onto the back, you've got parking sensors on the back there. And then you've got your turbo badge there. So into the boot, it's nothing spectacular, there's no under the boot floor storage or anything like that, but it is very deep and you can get a lot in there. And you do get a tyre inflation kit behind there. And what we'll do now is just show the back seats. And there you go, as you can see it is leather throughout. They do look quite comfortable. And then just down to here, we've got a couple of USB sockets and heated seats in the back. Along with nice big door, nice big pockets on the back of the seats. And then jumping in there, we've just got electric windows all around. We've then got automatic lights. Close this and start the engine. So it may have low fuel, do apologise for that. But there's the mileage, 36,043 miles. So we'll just turn off the aircon, stop it being so noisy. So just onto the wheel, we've got all your sort of menu controls here, you can flick through quite a bit there. As you can see it's getting about 38 miles per gallon. Not too bad. And then we've got all your cruise control functions there alongside phone and voice recognition. Then over to the centre, this is where most stuff's going to go on in this vehicle with all its features. So you've got navigation in this model. I've got to say the touchscreen is very responsive in this one. And you've got quite a few ways to connect your audio. So you've got usual radio as you'd expect. You've then got phone, and then there's auxiliary input and USB. So just below there, you've then got all your climate functions. So as you can see, there's a little display on both the little knobs there, tells you where you're at. So you can adjust them separately if you want to, or you can synchronise both up and they'll both go back. And then while we're on this area, you've also got heated seats on both sides, and you've also got heated steering wheel there. And just below that, you've got your traction control button if you want to turn that off. You've then got 6-speed manual gearbox, and then below that you've got electronic parking brake and 12-volt power outlet next to it. A couple of cup holders under that section, and then just under the armrest here is where you'll find the other connectors there, so you can keep the device out of the way and it'll still just show up on the screen there. So just before I end the video, you do get an extendable base on the seat there, and in the photos you will find full service history for this vehicle. So if there's anything I've not covered in this video, or you want some extra info, you maybe even want to come down and test drive the vehicle, just give us a call and we'll see how we can help you out. Thanks, take care, bye.